Important personal disclaimer. Obviously, this is just what works for me. Everyone's body is different, and it's important to follow medical advice and find what works best for you. Just to say as well, we did pay for these ourselves. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to talk a bit about something that people don't always mention when it comes to living with a suprapubic catheter. First of all, a big thank you to so and so. I really appreciate them. They say you shouldn't cover a suprapubic catheter all the time. My site can produce a bit of discharge, and sometimes there's a slight odor with it as well. And if I leave it uncovered, that can end up getting onto my clothes, which isn't ideal. I only really cover it when that discharge starts causing problems with my skin, or because of my body shape it can run down into my groin and make a mess there too. So on the bad days, I do cover it, but not unless I really have to. And once I've finished whatever I'm doing, or if I'm staying in for the rest of the day, I take it off. Especially at night, I always take it off as well, so it's definitely not covered all the time. And the designs are really nice. I've got an animals one with smiley faces, a black and white checkered flag, one with rainbows and balloon dogs, there's one with tractors, one with a snack sauce design, and another with a little construction crew on it. If you've had a similar experience or have your own tips, feel free to share them in the comments. It could really help someone else. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more real life content like this. Thanks for watching.